What's up, guys? Daryl from Smart Shooters, and today this might be the most controversial video we ever did on the channel. So far, my most controversial video, I'll link it right here, is why I sold all my Canics and switched to Glock. That video pissed the world off. But this one won't be as controversial per se. But this gun is one of the most controversial guns ever. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the SCAR 17 in all of its glory. Let's talk about the SCAR 17 and why this might be the most controversial battle rifle to ever be talked about, especially on YouTube. Now, as I always say, for all intents and purposes, this firearm is clear. Let's talk about the FN SCAR. SCAR is a battle rifle, like I said, that's chambered in .308. It's a sexy looking piece of plastic. I say that because most of this gun is polymer, which is surprising because this gun has a whole lot of thump to it. This gun is chambered in .308. To give you some perspective, this is a 5.56. This is a .308. Yeah. Let's talk about the features of the FN SCAR. You got these 20-round mags with the base plates. I definitely think it's cool that they Cerakote the bottom half of the mag. That's kind of dope. That's something I would do. It's ambidextrous, so you got the safety selector. Oops, actually delay. Safety selector is ambidextrous. People always make fun of me for saying ambidextrous, but it's ambidextrous. It's an ambi safety. You got the ambi mag release. I was actually surprised because this is a heavy boy. Like, this is the 17S. The coolest feature on here is this one has the non-reciprocating charging handle. Having a non-reciprocating charging handle means that that bolt can reciprocate without the charging handle reciprocating with it, which is nice because that eliminates the whole SCAR bite. This was a trade-in to my FFL business. So it came with this SIG Tango MSR 1-10. It came with a light that I'm not sure what brand this light is. It may have been off of Amazon, but it's 1,000 lumens. I saw the little booklet it was that came with the box. I guess I could have looked for a name too, but I was more interested in the stats of the light. But the light definitely is bright. I'm not mad at the light at all. It's got a strobing feature. It's got a solid stay on feature. It's got the option to have a laser in it as well. I'm not a big fan of the whole laser thing, but whatever. Some of the quirks about the SCAR, let me turn this light off because I just keep actuating it. One of the funny things that the SCAR is notoriously known for is the stack, or the notorious UGG boot. Funny enough, when you maybe the light doesn't turn off. When you shoulder this rifle, it's comfortable, right? So people make fun of the UGG boot all the time, but let me just open this for the aesthetic, even though I'm not using it. Yeah, that UGG boot is comfortable and sits nice and comfortable. This is a great fighting rifle. The cons, or quirks, cons, however you consider it, in addition to the UGG boot, are that grip. That random A2 grip is crazy for what this rifle costs. And again, this is a lot of polymer to me for what this rifle costs. This rifle is by itself is like $4,000. That's a hard sell to me. That's a hard sell. But I mean, it's got cool things like the FN, that muzzle brake. That FN muzzle brake looks very, very nice. Very nice. Somebody may ask, what makes this the most controversial gun on YouTube? The price. The price is what makes this the most controversial thing ever, because what on earth justifies this to be $4,000 plus? And that is what most people find the issue with, is what makes this thing by itself, no attachments, no nothing, by itself, worth $4,000 with this A2 grip, 20 round capacity, polymer frame. What makes this worth that kind of money? To be honest, I don't know. Like, would I keep it? Yes, I would keep it for the cool factor, because this is a cool ass gun. But if I had to really get an AR-10 or anything chambered in .308 to defend myself, would I go with a SCAR versus an AR-10 built out my way with $4 grand? No. No. Much rather run a Rostic Arms .308. The Kumar coming soon. I don't know what justifies the price ticket on this, other than this FN. And FN is notorious for charging a lot for their products. The quality is there with FN. Reliability is definitely there with an FN. I've never had a malfunction on any FN gun I own, from the Reflex all the way up to the 510. Never had a malfunction. That being said, would I pay $4 grand for this? No. But if I got one for a deal, would I keep it? Hell yeah. Except for the fact that I'm an FFL dealer. So sadly, I must make money. I was gonna shoot it. I was gonna do a full review for you guys, but fortunately and unfortunately, no sooner than I posted this on my Rostic Arms page, it got sold. So if you're ever interested in the inventory my FFL gets in, go follow Rostic Arms on Instagram, or you could follow rosticarms.com. I definitely will put both of those right here so you can check them out, because we give good deals whenever it makes sense. Like, he got this, all the attachments, 6 magazines, and 280 rounds of .308, and I did it all for $3,500 plus shipping. So I think $3,500 is a great deal, especially because this rifle was unfired. I was able to get it. I was able to get it from a fortunate situation where somebody just needed some cash, and that's what my FFL business does. So yeah, I was pretty happy about that. What do you guys think? This plus 6 mags, even though I only held up 280 rounds of .308, was that a fair price? Let me know in the comment. For unfired. Again, nothing is ever new once somebody owns it, but it can be unfired. So for an unfired SCAR, let me know if that was a fair price. Ultimately, would I keep this gun? Yeah, if I wasn't an FFL and my job was to, you know, make money, I definitely would keep this gun. One, it's got the classic nostalgic feel, right, of a fighting rifle. Even though it's current, it's just got a nostalgic feel to me. I like the UGG boot. I like the UGG boot. I like the ambi controls. I like the non-reciprocating charging handle. It's a 16-inch barrel, which means the velocity will be there. A lot of people cut these barrels down or go with 13-inch barrels and suppress it. And I get that they do that because they don't want a huge long barrel once they add a suppressor. But I would run it 16 inches. Oh, I didn't show y'all the coolest feature of the UGG boot. So the UGG boot does have an extension. Like, you can push this button and extend it out. There's a button right here to do that. But the coolest button is this one. Push that tan button here and you can fold it. Y'all don't make fun of me for actuating this light. I don't know how to turn this light off. Now you can pack it with this scar, fold it. I think that's cool, a little foldable UGG boot. I'm gonna forever call it an UGG boot. That's pretty much the rundown, man. This is a solid fighting rifle. Like I said, I definitely would keep this for myself. But FFL life, baby. I got a great deal on it, so I'm offering somebody else a great deal on it. What do you guys think about the FN Scar? This is the 17S in 308. It's heavy. This gun is heavy. Let me know in the comments what y'all think, man. I just wanted to make a quick video before I ship it out. Talk about some of the quirks and features of it. Like, comment, subscribe. And as always, I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.